route and also at Burnham Park kasi nagkataon kasi nagkasabay.
Pero, ang sabi ng police estimator, around 50,000 or more persons ang umattend ng snow show. Sa tingin nyo, yung 32 persons na police na dideploy nyo, sufficiente na ba yun para ma-maintain natin yung peace and order at saka yung public safety ng mga taong umattend doon?
Actually, sir, we did not expect that kind of crowd to be present during that time. What we did is when we saw that the situation was, I mean, there was yung lumalaki na yung crowd room. We requested for augmentation coming from the different stations, who reacted, who sent their personnel doon sa area. And also doon sa, yung nandun sa Burnham, some of them went up to session room.
So, hindi ba sinabi sa inyo ng organizer na ganon o medyo malaki yung tao na expect nila para mas madami sana kayo may deploy?